In a world bustling with noise and chaos, sometimes we find solace in the simplest of the companionship. Today, we embarked on a journey into the heart of the forest, where one can find a unique friend in the gentlest of the creatures, the cow. So, in this bricklaying molding place, I'm trying to show you what you can never see if you don't enjoy bricklaying. Now, there are some challenges bricklayers go through. It can't be said in one word, like rain. But look at how beautiful these plants are. Let's enjoy this nature. Look at the logs that are being used for bricklaying. All these are some of the challenges when it comes to bricklaying. Now, you're quite aware that clay soil makes very strong bricks. And this is the sign that when you want to build a solid foundation, you need to use the clay bricks. Away from the noise of the city, these are some of the activities that are mind refreshing. Enjoying how people mold bricks for building. Now, I enjoy every moment of my life in this wilderness of this forest. I know at the forefront you could see the apartments. That is where human beings settle. But that's not where the beauty arises. My joy is standing on this man-made lakes and forest that are fascinating. As I enjoy the view of the forest, the last of the green nature, I must tell you, there's something more special than moving into these dams, the valleys that are being excavated as a result of bricklaying. I took time, pull out the wood back with my energy, and I needed to refresh my mind. Putting that wood back on that bank of the valley, I sat on it and I started meditating. How peaceful staying alone is beautiful. Listening to the sound of the birds. These are the things I really enjoy in this beautiful world. It's not all about waking up every day, going to work. Create some memories. When you're gone, people will always remember that you had the best life. There are so many things that happens in life that you can't revert back to. But the most important thing is to keep going. Even when you feel like you are alone in this world, you must continue moving forward. Don't let people know 100% of what you do. Let them die thinking that your life is miserable. Run for your life and make sure that you get that happiness. Look at the blue sky in the background. From the gentle slope in the valley. How beautiful can this be? Nature lovers, I think it's the right time for you to start exploring the world. Discover your environment and get away from the noise, the polluted air within the city. Create memories that are much eco-friendly. both to your health and to the environment that you live in. For generations to come, after the journey of living alone, it's something that you need to create it yourself. Whether you are in the forest or you're in the valley, reflect on some of these memories that people will see. This is some of the most fascinating things that bridges the gap between nature and human beings. There are so many things that people do, the world we live in, that are challenging. Some of you have never seen crocodiles. You've not seen snake, scorpions, scary animals on this planet. But where do you sniff through to get them? Is to join the wilderness of this world. Enjoying the tranquility of every moment in this valley is something that is very special. The company that you go through to fully immerse yourself into the valley, it's a deep reflection of relieving yourself from stress and experiencing the joy and appreciating why you're being created in this world. The connection with nature and moving away from the modern life, it's what is very essential in everyday life. Removing the stress from the modern life. As you close your eyes, take deep breath and thoughts of this natural world that surrounds you and surrounds us. You cherish the importance of this beauty with its simplicity. Everything in this world is a companion that is a footstep that everyone cherishes around us. Embrace the environment. Embrace the environment. Carry with the memories this special encounter, whether it is frog, snakes, those scary animals. It's what the magic awaits. Connect with nature. If you find peace, you could even walk barefooted. The wind blows the leaves of the tree, and this creates good memory. All these are warm glows from the fresh environment. The man-made lakes, the rivers, are sign that there is peace in what you're looking for. This is a journey that all human beings flourishes. It's something that helps us stand when we are weak and get on our feet, be strong again. The fish that lives in these tiny man-made lakes, it's something that is fascinating. A quiet environment is something that I treasure. You want to roll over those muddy roads, you need to test the depth. If you know it's too deep, you can never push your car to that, unless even if it is a four-wheel drive. So those are the challenges as you adventure into this world. As we venture deeper in the woods, we come up. As we venture deeper in the woods, we come across a clearing where a gentle cow peacefully grazes. are surrounded by the beauty of the nature. Approaching her with care and respect, we enjoy seeing them graze the green grass, and this builds a gesture of friendship and a goodwill as we merge and immerse ourselves in the forest. With each nibble and bond begins to form, bridging the gap between human and animal, transcending language and culture. In the company of this gentle giant, we find ourselves enveloped in a sense of peace and harmony, far removed from the stress of the modern life. With every gentle stroke of vividly caught, we are reminded of the beauty of simplicity and the importance of cherishing the nature and the importance of cherishing the natural world around us. As we bid farewell, our new-found friend and the tranquil forest that embraces us, we carry with the memories of this special encounter and remain and a reminder of the magic that awaits when we take time to connect with nature and its magnificent creatures. For in the heart of the forest, amidst the rustling leaves and the gentle breezes, lies a world where the bond between human and animal flourishes, a world where time stands still and every moment is cherished. Please consider liking our video, subscribe if you haven't. Can't wait to upload another episode. Peace.